Mountain-grown coffee for richer flavor.
Hello guys, and welcome to my first ever vlog. I want to start doing short videos like that every 1 or 2 weeks and say a few words about web development, mobile development, the projects that I'm working on, the technologies that I'm using, but also answer some of your questions. And this very first episode is going to be about my new personal website, which I released yesterday. Yeah, it took some time and lots of effort, but I managed to put it out of the door. Please check it out. It's on developer.com. Tell me what you like, what you don't like, and give me your feedback down in the comments of this video. The journey always for me starts with inspiration, and I use some specific sources to get inspired from, mainly App Labs, Dribble, but also Instagram. I gather some ideas that I like and I put them together in an HTML template together with some CSS. Next step for me is to organize CSS into SCSS with proper variables and functions and so on. As soon as I have the HTML plus SCSS template ready, I choose the frontend framework that I want to use, and for this specific one I chose Gridsome. Gridsome is a JAMstack implementation of VueJS. Under the hood you have some server-side rendering and some client-side rendering with VueJS. Yeah, so I put together the template in the Gridsome implementation, and as soon as I have the frontend up running, I deploy it, right? Because I want to see it like live with under a proper domain name, SSL key, and so on. And for this purpose, it's been some time that I use AWS Amplify. It's really a mind-blowing tool. If you haven't yet, please check it out. You will be amazed. Really, you will be amazed. You just enter your repo, and after 5 minutes you have it deployed under a domain name with proper SSL keys and everything. It's insane. As soon as the frontend was deployed, of course with static content, I had to take care of the functional part, and the main functionality of this website is the blog, which is going to feature some articles, some FAQs, and some categorization probably. For the blog I used Strapi. Strapi is the most elegant CMS solution out there. I highly recommend that you check it out and you stop using WordPress. It has Node.js under the hood, so you can understand what it does way easier than WordPress. So I started with a local instance of Strapi. I created all the content types, and then I had to deploy it on AWS, which turns out is not that simple as it sounds. I'm going to use a diagram to explain this one. So we have the user. His request first goes through the CloudFront to the Route 53 module of AWS, where you can have your domains in the host zones. There I have my domain called developer.com and all the subdomains. The subdomains that refer to the CMS are being redirected to an EC2 instance, which actually hosts the Strapi instances for dev, staging, and production environments. The redirection within the EC2 instance happens through an Nginx server, which is properly configured. The handling of the Strapi node instances is being done with PM2, which is also a really nice module. Yeah, so all three Strapi instances for development, staging, and production are in the EC2 instance, and from there they are being connected to an RDS database, which also has the environment set up, and to an S3 bucket. The data are being saved in the RDS database, and all the media like images and videos are being saved in the S3 bucket. So that's pretty much it. That's how it works. Yeah, of course, describing this concept and making it happen is a whole different story, but now it's live, it's working. Please go check out the blog section of my website. You will see the articles being shared from Strapi. I guess that's pretty much it for the first episode. Please leave a comment, give me your feedback, mention the topics that you want me to speak about in upcoming episodes, and have a great day.